What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to you. So as you saw by the cinematics, you saw the Ford. I thought it was a Mustang, but it's not a Mustang. Ford Ranchero. Stay tuned, and yeah, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and enjoy the video. What up, guys? So what we have on today's video, it's a Ford Ranchero. It's my first time seeing such an automobile. I'm not too much of an old school guy. I don't know them well. This car's older than me. 1970 something model. Ford Ranchero 351 GT V8, of course. You're gonna laugh at me right now. When the car pulled up, I thought it was a Mustang. I just looked at the front and I was like, oh, Mustang. No, it's a Ford Ranchero. I even registered the car with the wrong name. I said Ranchero and it's a Ford Ranchero. Actually, I need to do more research on these cars. But do you blame me? Like, look at the front. Now I thought it was a Mustang. I don't want to lie to you. But the car's actually very beautiful. Like, in terms of its year, age, condition, 1970 something, and the body is still straight looking, mint condition. Let me show you the interior. The interior of this car is also very clean on the inside. Beautiful leather seats, beautiful steering wheel, cluster, gear knob. I don't mind the coolant box though. Even the carpets, smudge heat. Check out the stickers at the back. No airbags, warning. Beep beep. Here's the owner of the vehicle. And here you have it for the final figures of the Ford Ranchero. Stock Ford V8, 181 horsepower, 326 Newton meters. Beautiful, bulky, daily driver, as the owner told me. And yeah, I wouldn't daily that car, I won't lie to you. I don't know how far he drives the vehicle, but I'll keep it in the garage, take it out on weekends, go to Artis, you know, Hazelwood, nice places. Maybe ship the car to Cape Town, drive around in Cape Town. I wanted to relocate to Cape Town, man. PTA is exhausting. I want to relocate to Cape Town. Cape Town is beautiful. But hey, let's get to the car, man. This was meant for the car. Oh no, it's actually the outro. Bye.